This message was transmitted by the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. Everyone get in your homes for the day. I repeat, stay in your homes for the day. An elephant with red eyes and holding a knife was spotted roaming around the streets of Philadelphia. Police are getting information about this elephant. If you see the elephant with red eyes and holding a knife, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned. Any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. The elephant, who was roaming around the streets of Philadelphia ago, is now confirmed. This elephant is named Elephant E.X.E. He is a dangerous elephant and he escaped from the zoo and transformed into a serial killer. All residents of Philadelphia must evacuate now. If you see Elephant E.X.E, stay away from him, and this elephant will kill you with his knife, and call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and this an update that Elephant E.X.E is attacking and killing everyone in his path. The police are trying to take down this killer animal. They decided to make a shield to block him, but it didn't work. All residents must stay away from Elephant E.X.E. If you see him, call 911 immediately. Elephant E.X.E breaks into your home. Use illegal weapon and all means necessary. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. Multiple reports say that Elephant E.X.E breaks into people's houses and killing them inside. All residents of Philadelphia must lock all your doors immediately. Do not make any sudden noises, because Elephant E.X.E will hear you, but if he doesn't hear you, he won't attack you, but if you do, he will. The police are trying to take down this elephant. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Elephant E.X.E has planted bombs into people's houses that could kill them inside. All residents of Philadelphia must seek underground shelter immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phone, chargers, and battery-power radio with extra batteries. The police are figuring a way to stop Elephant E.X.E. If you see the killer animal, which is Elephant E.X.E, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and this is an update that Elephant E.X.E is still attacking everyone that's in his path. The police had sent a real elephant to kill the serial killer animal from destroying the city. We have a reporter Dave to talk about what is going on. How is everything going down here, Dave?
It is pretty chaos here, Paul. As you know, people are running and panicking while the serial killer animal, known as Elephant E.X.E, is attacking and killing everyone in his path. The police had sent the real elephant to kill him. Oh no, Elephant E.X.E sees me. I need to get out of here now.
Oh my gosh, well I guess Dave is dead. Anyways, all residents must stay away from Elephant E.X.E. The real elephant is on its way to stop this killer animal. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. An Amber Alert was issued for Philadelphia Police. The police are looking for a child named Emma Martin, age 6, and 7 feet tall. She was last seen wearing a purple shirt, blue pants, and pink shoes. She was abducted by Elephant E.X.E. The police had sent the real elephant to stop Elephant E.X.E. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear, I repeat, all clear. Elephant E.X.E has been killed by the real elephant, thanks to the police, and now that they take the real elephant back to the zoo, the child Emma Martin was found safe in the supermarket. All residents of the United States, you can get out of your shelters immediately. However, it could take a long time to repair the damage that Elephant E.X.E caused. We thank you for participating with the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume.